Because it's still the season of love, please show this channel some love. Show this channel some love. Hey viewers, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here. To my returning subscribers, you're welcome. Happy Valentine's Day. And to those who are just joining in, please do not make it your last. Do not make it your last though. We make amazing beaded accessories here, as you can see. Yes, so do well to stay. This is my face, so for those who have been wondering who is she, that was me. Alright, so here is the process video of this beautiful bead top. This beautiful bead top. We have size 10, size 8, and size 6 bead balls. Yeah, this bead is really beautiful. Like, camera is not doing justice. Like, I can tell you, it almost looks like a candy. Like it looks like candy. And yes, I just decided that this is the perfect bead to be used for this bead top. Like, I just wanted something that portrays love, and then I knew that I was going to make a love beaded top. So yeah, you guys can see. All right, I loved it on 100. So I started the work. So basically, yeah, this is not a long process video because there was no time to like do a whole full video, but I can make a tutorial. All right, I can make a tutorial. And yes, I also wanted to talk about the tutorials requests that I've been getting. Please, beauties, I will get to it. All right, I will get to it. I just have a lot of projects that I'm trying to meet up with, a lot of others and calls. So please. Yes, here it is. This is the front view. Yeah, this is the side view. How beautiful do you think it is? Let me know in the comment section. If you got to this part, please subscribe. And this is the back view. So on Instagram, I asked my followers to like name the beat top. So go back and choose a name for this beat top. Please choose a name for this beat top so that we can name it. Yeah, we need a name. We need a name for it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.